Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something super exciting, Fellou AI. I'll walk you through how to get started, use its killer features, and automate your workflow like a pro. Stick around, and let's get browsing smarter. Imagine telling your browser to research a topic, draft an email, or even post to social media, all without you clicking a million tabs. It uses something called deep action technology to handle complex tasks, from deep searches across platforms like LinkedIn and Reddit to generating detailed reports, all while keeping your data private with military-grade security. Sounds cool, right? Let's set it up. I will be using the Windows version of Fellou AI that was recently released. When you're on the main page of the browser for the first time, this blue pop-up will show, guiding you on how to use it. I will just skip it for now. Let's do a quick research for a topic. Simply type your prompt on this text box, whether it's exploring the latest tech trends, gathering data for a project, or even finding answers across platforms like X or Reddit. You can press Tab on your keyboard or click the third icon, which is the Fellou search engine. On the right side, Fellou AI will instantly summarize exactly what it's going to do with your prompt, so you know the plan before it executes, making your research fast, clear, and effortless. Then, simply click the Deep Action button and watch Fellou AI spring into action. Once the deep action is executed, this will reassess and summarize the prompt you had given. It will spit out the step-by-step that it will do. You can add or delete the unnecessary things, but for now, I will keep it as it is. Click the Run button to start the actual research phase. You can just sit back and relax. Fellou AI takes over from here, handling all the heavy lifting for your research task. Whether it's scouring the web, pulling insights from platforms like X or Reddit, or compiling a detailed report, Fellou's AI works seamlessly in the background. If a website requires a login, no worries. You'll get a prompt to either log in manually to access that content or simply skip it, and Fellou will smoothly continue the task without missing a beat, ensuring your research is completed quickly and efficiently. At this stage, once the research phase is underway, Fellou will automatically generate clean, structured HTML code to prepare the final report, consolidating all the insights, data, and findings from your research into a polished, professional format. Whether it's pulling together key points from deep searches across platforms like X or Reddit, integrating visuals, or summarizing complex information, Fellou ensures the report is well organized and ready to share or export. You can preview this HTML output in the browser, make quick edits if needed, or even use it as a foundation for presentations, blog posts, or client deliverables, all seamlessly crafted to save you time and effort. Ladies and gentlemen, behold the final results delivered by Fellou, a comprehensive, professionally crafted report that's ready to impress. You can navigate the entire report just like a sleek, interactive web page, effortlessly scrolling through all the detailed insights, data, and visuals compiled from your research. Fellou includes clickable links to the original sources where the information was gathered, ensuring full transparency and easy reference. Plus, there's a user-friendly navigational menu at the top, allowing you to jump between sections and topics with a single click. Once you're ready to share your beautifully crafted report, simply hit the Publish button in Fellou AI, and you'll unlock a range of sharing options designed to make collaboration a breeze. This feature lets you generate a unique link to the report or even create a handy QR code, allowing you to share your work instantly with colleagues, clients, or friends. Now, if you're excited to try Fellou AI for yourself, but need an invite code to join the beta, just drop a comment on our next video, and we'll hook you up with the details. See you there for more awesome tips and tricks.